This is really weird. Morning. Welcome to my vlog, I guess. That's what this is anyways. Today I have a few things to do this morning actually, but I don't know, I just woke up this morning and I was like, let's vlog. Let's start a YouTube channel. Actually no, I've always wanted to start a YouTube channel for like the longest time ever, but I always like stop myself and I always like freak out, being really insecure and self-conscious. I'm always like, no one's gonna watch, but I don't know, I just woke up this morning feeling like a new fucking person, and I felt like, you know what better way to, I don't know what I'm trying to say, but basically I just felt like, I was like, you know what, let's just do it. I have some stuff to do today. I'm going to the beach with my friend KIISHI. I have some errands to run. I have to go buy a tripod actually for my phone because right now it's just leaning against my window. But yeah, I don't know, I just felt like, I feel like I could do it if I really wanted to do it, and it's something that I really want to do, so why not? Why the hell not? I'm almost ready, I'm about to leave. I just have to pack my bag and finish off my green tea. KIISHI and I are going to the beach. We're going to just chill today and take some photos. I have the swimsuit that I got sent, that I ordered actually, from this brand. They're called the Naked Floor, and they wanted to collab with me, actually, which was like really surprising. I was like, oh thanks. But yeah, they wanted to collab with me, so I ordered some stuff from there and it just came, so I'm gonna go take some photos and just have a chill day because it's Monday and it's my day off from uni, so why the hell not? This is really awkward. Okay, so we made it to KIISHI's house. I had some things to do. I had to go to the bank. The lighting's really bad. I had to go to the bank and I had to go buy a tripod for my camera, for my phone. And I was gonna vlog while I was doing those things, but it was really awkward. People were staring and I was like, I can't do this. So I turned my phone off. But anyways, we're at KIISHI's house now and I'm so tired. Exhausted. I'm just ironing you.
Hi.
I've been waiting for like 15 minutes.
Yeah, okay, sure.
And that's just way too long for my life.
Yeah, you were outside for 50 minutes.
15?
I don't believe you.
What do you think
look
you're
really
doing?
cute though.
Oh, thank you.
You look like a snack.
Oh.
You actually look hell cute.
Stop!
What is that? What are you doing? Huh? Oh, you're vlogging.
I'm vlogging.
I'm
friends! Hi, sweetie. I keep forgetting how dark your house is. Your house. Prince. Hi, sweetie. Hi. Hello. Guys, I don't like cats very much, but I love KIISHI's cat. He's just so cute. Come here. The slides were done. We're done for.
It's gonna slide once I turn that corner.
Can I put the window up so my phone doesn't fall out the window?
Yeah, sure.
Where we going? We're going somewhere because KIISHI's a handout her resume.
What the hell? It didn't slide.
It didn't slide.
Whoa!
It's really stable! Go bang, go bang, go bang, go bang. Oh, go bang, go.
Calling, I be making it quick.
I'ma answer that shit like I don't fuck with you.
Type. Is that true, man? Type. I mean,
Shit.
to be honest with you, man,
She's a bad thing. Shit! Fine as hell. Thick as fuck. Oh my god! That's my baby! Caroline Universe!
Got a million things on my mind, executive deals online, limited amount of time, chasing these dollar signs, and you ain't on your grind.
Body fire.
really blow the pie like a pro.
Fuck you, fuck.
Holy shit, I'm really lit.
It's like a fucking shout out. How you think I'm It does look like something. It's like a grass cutter right now.
Dolce and Gabbana, Fendi and Adana, Karen, they be sharing all their money, got me wearing fly. Girl, but I ain't asking. They say they love my ass and 7 jeans, true religion. I say no, but they keep giving, so I keep on taking. And no, I ain't taking. We can keep on taking. I keep on demonstrating my love, my love, my love, my love. You love my lady loves. My heart, my heart, my heart. My heart, they got you.
Imagine those. Up Kyle. Squirt up Kyle. Up Kyle. Yes. Give me life. Send me looks, KIISHI.
Stop.
Oh.
Stop, you're making me blush.
I hate you. I actually.
They say I'm really sexy. The boys, they wanna sex me. They always standing next to me, always dancing next to me, trying to feel my hump, looking at my lump. You can look, but you can't touch it. If you touch it, I'ma start some drama. You don't want no drama. No, no drama. No, 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 no drama. So don't pull on my hand, boy. You ain't my man, boy. I'm just trying to dance, boy. My lovely lady lumps, my lovely lady lumps, my lovely lady lumps in the back and in the front.
Hi. I got home like a few minutes ago. I kind of just forgot to vlog. Honestly, this vlog live is way too hard. Not because it's like a hard thing to do, you just kind of forget that you have to do it and you're like caught up in the moment. But yeah, I just got home. Sorry, I just got home. I just got home, took a shower, I had to wash my hair because it was hella salty and there was sand in it. My plant's in the way. I'm so sorry, but I'm too lazy to move it. Had a lot of fun today. It was a good experience. First time for everything, and I actually really enjoyed it. So I probably might do it again. But yeah. This is me saying goodbye. Have a blessed day, and see you guys next time.